Hello again. Your first project is already in the system. Now what? From the dashboard, you will see that your project has arrived to the first stage in your workflow, in this case, collect information. Clicking on it, you will be brought to the info area, where you can see all the details you already added. Here, you can change the tags, assign the request to a new user, or change the due date. Your attachment section shows now extra options, like a preview, notes for compatible files, and the possibility to deactivate the file. In Twona, nothing is deleted, so you can be sure to follow compliance regulations. Files can always be reactivated. The project also has a messages section. Here you can add personal messages to communicate with your team about the project. Your own messages can be deleted, those of others not. You can also see system messages in the audit trail, which let you know what has happened to the project in the background, when and by whom. Finally, there is a version section, where you will be able to see and approve your awards. Make sure you get familiar with these three sections, as you will be using them frequently throughout your journey with Twona AMS. Cheers and have a good day!